But let me be frank with you. Yes, if we take export services, if we talk export product and services, Lebanon has a good chance to win. If you take only product, it will be difficult. We don't have resources, we don't have natural resources, and we have a high cost of production. We have the highest cost of production, the high cost of energy, we have high cost of transport. We have some handicaps. Today I can't see on product which doesn't have a lot of added value that we can compete so fast and have our system, our product export to go very fast. On the service side, where the added value is very high, and the impact of such cost as it's applied to the product are not the same, and are literally different, very, very minimal. I think here we are going to have, and we are competing. Our engineering services, our financial services, our health services, all kind of services we are giving are spreading very, 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 very beautifully outside. And that's very important, and this is part of the inflow we are receiving. So I think Lebanon as export with a big term has a very interesting potential. Now, why our balance of payment is negative for the second year? I hope that this year it will end by a positive one, because if we compare to last year, it's definitely better, much, much, much better, but still negative by 300 million. But the trend is up, is not down. So I'm not so much afraid about this trend, because that's one of the most important assets we have, the capability to attract inflow and capital. Sorry. So that's important for us. And we are monitoring it very, very quickly. And I think the reason about that is not the economical side, it's mostly, what's happening outside. Receiving inflow from the Gulf, receiving inflow from all places, a little bit not scared today was what's happening in Syria, in Jordan, in all places. But this area is becoming a little bit questionable for the investor. But still, we are receiving a lot. Not receiving as much as 2010, which was the highest year. But today, the reserve of the central bank is of the highest ever seen. So that's give also kind of insurance and satisfaction to the investor. I'm confident that by the end of the year, the balance of payment will be back positive, hopefully. And the most important element in that is also the transparency and the strict adoption by our banks of the Basel III agreement, because that will give more confidence back to the investor. And our banks are surviving very well the whole drama which we are living around us. Don't forget, last year we have spent 6 months without a government. It's not easy. Even though we still have $4 billion in remittance and the FDI. Let's put it FDI. I have, according to the trend, I think we will match a positive figure at the end of the year. Definitely would be very, very happy to have not $5-6 billion, but also we have $130 billion in capital in bank deposit. I think it's the highest in the world in the issues. Also, highest, sometimes reaching some place where it costs you more to have more. We have $40 billion, which is the banks are searching where to place it. So we need to have every year extensive balance for payment. But also we are coping well with the whole challenging which is surrounding us.